Yeah, hi Paul. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your Jukebox laser for you, and it's all working as it should be. I've put a new laser in there and given it a little service. I've cleaned the cogs up for you because it was pack jammed with all the grease and stuff in there and dust that's picked up onto the grease. So I've just given it a good clean up with a cleaner that I use, and I've re-greased it for you. I've used Vaseline for that. And it's all running as it should be. So yeah, in all it is in reasonable condition. I don't see that it's had huge huge use like some of them, but yeah, it's all clean, micro switch cleaned, and gone over it, tested the motors, heated it up. It's all good. When I say heated it up, what happens is when the spindle gets hot, when a spindle gets hot, it goes slow. These tend to go slow, and that's the only way you know whether their motors are gone. So you need to test them for a few hours, and this is good. So there's no problems there, and as you can see, it's spinning away on there, and you can hear the music running there. So that was in the post for you, and hopefully you'll be happy with that. You've got a 6 months warranty on parts there. All we ask, if there is a problem, is you send it to us and pay the postage, and we sort everything else out for you. But hopefully you won't need it. Thank you very much.